Hey, this will be a video chart on CCME. It is a big board stock, but as you can see by the chart, a very nice and powerful one. This, along with IDCC, are kind of the only couple big boards that I see that are pretty popular within the message board world. Usually, you'll see the penny stocks take up 95% of the discussion, but CCME and IDCC, those are the two big boards that maintain a pretty solid profile in terms of discussion. So I've been getting quite a few questions on this one, and I hadn't pulled up the chart in a while, but now that I have, I think the last time I looked at it was down around here, looking like it might be breaking to new lows and want to be going further, but I don't know if there was a filing or if they signed a big contract, some sort of news, but bottom line, the chart says something good is going on. Maybe some sort of squeeze, I'm not sure, but bottom line, the price has just been going parabolic. I mean, this is what I like to call going NASA. It's defying gravity. So congratulations to everybody that is in it. Video is not going to be too complicated. I'm just going to map out supports and resistances, and that way you can have an idea of what's going on from that technical perspective. So first, let's just start off with support levels, kind of all over the place because the stock has been just blasting through everything. The first support that sticks out is going to be over here at this previous high, which is right around the 1455 area, we'll call it. So change that to green. And then I'm going to get a few more of these because we do have some other supports. The next area of support is going to be right around this region here. Keep in mind, I'm not just putting it right on top of highs or whatever. I'm more just kind of finding zones. So what I mean by a zone is you can see the price had some history there, a little bit there, and some right there. So this area here is right around 1345, we'll call it. So 14, what would I say, 55 up here, and then 13, right around 55, 45 would be another area of support. And then we have kind of what I would consider the must-hold level, or the one that just needs to hold no matter what. And it's going to look crazy, but that's kind of the catch-22 on stocks that go like this. But the 200-day, this is what we want to see hold up, regardless from a daily chart perspective. Because I mean, if you think about it, the stock could potentially, creep its way all the way back down here, and then if it finds support here before heading back up, we would have a set of lows right here, and then the other set of lows would basically be down in this area. This set would be higher than this set, and this would still give us the ability to draw an uptrend line, which is what we want to do regardless, assuming that we're long. So yes, that's a long ways down, but at the same time, from a daily chart perspective and overall viewpoint, this is a support at the end of the day that must hold, and hopefully it'll never see this price back down here again. Worst case, maybe it'll fall down to one of these, or with the way things are going, maybe it'll just keep shooting up and create some new support levels. But from the daily chart perspective, and in order to keep the chart in an overall uptrend, the lowest you'd really want to see it go is down here to the 200-day simple moving average. Now for the fun stuff, the resistance levels. For this, I'm going to have to change to the weekly chart just so I can find some. And looking at this, that just answered my question. So never mind on resistances. We are in a blue sky breakout, and the reason I say that is I probably should have checked this out before I started recording, but you pull up the chart and the history shows that it is in uncharted territories. So the high that it peaked out at this week was 1660. So that's technically a short-term resistance level, but for argument's sake, it's a blue sky breakout. And the one downside to this is you can't really help the chart to gauge where some possible selling points might be. You just kind of got to use your gut instincts. So, but at the end of the day, it's a blue sky breakout, and whenever a chart's in uncharted territories, that's always a good thing. So that is where the chart currently stands. If there are any other questions on it, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free, so I'd encourage you to head to the website, sign up, and give it a try. One more time, this was CCME. Thanks for listening.